Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. This is Jeff from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, based on some responses we got from the previous video, we're going to take a quick homepage comparison of the new On 4K Pro versus a Formuer Z10. And let's take a look at the comparisons. Hey, thank you guys for being here. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. Thank you for people that looked at the video yesterday after 24 hours of owning the new On 4K Pro. I got some good feedback. And one of the, I wouldn't say subscribers or someone that watched, I'm going to bring to light some of the things that they have said and just do a comparison because I want to make sure that I really want to make sure I stay positive and I stay thorough. I want to make sure I do a thorough job. And I guess their name is Patrizel. Patrizel. So this is what they said, which is totally fine. I'll put what the post up there says. Ease of use is a pro, but then a cluttered homepage is a con. Rushed video at best. LOL. Just take some real time to check out the device before putting this basic video out. And I had a response and I kept it clean, and that's fine. So what I felt like doing is just explaining and showing the difference of what I meant. So what you're looking at right now is the new On 4K Pro. This is the actual homepage. And in my last video, I'll make sure it's up there. I said one of the cons for me is the busyness of the homepage. Okay, so as I go down, I think it's for me it's a con. Maybe not for anyone else. I'm not putting down the device. I'm not putting down anything negative. This is just a con for me. So I want my homepage to be clean and not cluttered. And as I go down this, maybe it's clean for you. It's clean with all the video or the pictures and stuff. But as I keep going down, here are my apps right here. This is all I'm concerned about on my devices are my apps. I don't need the free live news and opinion. That's just the Google TV launcher page. Okay, that's their TV page. I don't need top selling movies to try to tell me. I already use some applications for my movies and TV shows that are already on this device. All right. I don't need popular movies and shows. I already know what those are because I already have that. I don't need YouTube giving me a lot of advice, which it's okay for me. But I'm looking as I go down. Now it's asking me, what do you feel like watching? Getting my attention. Recommended videos. Okay. Another offer for a Sunday ticket. Well, I don't need that. Okay. It's not football season, but I already have that taken care of. And then there's other close connections and stuff with other stuff I can buy. These are all locked, but they want me to purchase it, so it's busy to me. Free live TV, I already have that. Add your home, I can do that, that's fine. But you see what I'm saying? I'm keeping going down, and I'm gonna go down and down and down. To me, this is a busy homepage. Now it's about Mother's Day delivery. I mean, this is my streaming box. If I want to order something for Mother's Day, I don't need it on my streaming box. And so that's just my thing. And if I hit the back button here, I'm back up. Okay. Now, that is for some people simple. So what I'm going to do right now is that's busy for me. So I said that is a con for me. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to bring up a Formuer Z10 so you can see the home page on that. And then I'll finish and show you some of the things that I learned from Troy Point today that will unbusy or prove my point even more, hopefully. And you can be the... Okay, thanks for holding on. I've switched devices and hooked up my Formuer Z10. I know it says one and done, but these are some of the special ones that we received from the manufacturer that are a really big hit for some of our newer customers and those that just wanted something easy. So I'm going to prove that it is a Z10. I'm going to go to settings. And then I'm going to go down to device preferences, and I'm going to go to about. As you can see, it is a Formuer Z10. That is what it is. So I'm going to go back to the home page, and I want to prove my point. Now, based on everything that we saw, this is a one and done that I do all my videos on. And this is the home page of the one and done or the Formuer Z10. I have added things that I like to watch when things, utility apps from the Google Play Store, all of that. Now, based on what we just saw from the on 4K Pro, let me go down and show you the list of apps that I have. Here are the two rows. If I go down, I'm at the bottom of the box. I'm down into settings. There's launcher settings. I got Bluetooth. If I want to set up another network storage, I can do that. System info. These are quick settings, hotkeys. Here are my apps. All of my apps are right here, because if you do some research and I think learn a little bit of what the consumer uses, the average consumer uses only 4 to 5 applications for their entertainment. You'll see Pluto, you'll see this one, you'll see that one, and you'll see this one here. That is 4. The rest, that's a utility app. That is YouTube. That comes standard. Utility, 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 and Google Play Store utility, and Miracast. But the apps that I am using are only 5. That's why I don't need 32 gigs of memory, because the memory is if you want to download a bunch of apps. This device only has 8 gigs. And some people are like, well, why do you need less? Because less is more for the average consumer. Now, am I downing the on 4K Pro? No, it's about preference. And I had another person say today that the Formulas and the Z10s, they're thousands of dollars. This one and done empty is 95 bucks. 45 more dollars than that. But I can record on this. I can do a lot of different things. So I don't need a lot of applications or memory for external applications. I can expand it like I learned. I can show people how to expand it, and it just works for me. So that was my point, that the con on the other box was completely cluttered. Compared to this one, I'll let you make the decision. I'm going to go to the next part of the video and give my final thoughts and show you what I meant on the 4K on box. All right, as we close out the video, I'm glad that you guys are here. We're back on the new on 4K Pro, and again, I shown you the differences. Maybe you like this. I think it's a great place to start. But again, the only applications that I'm really interested in are the ones right here. Now, to prove my point, I said on my last video yesterday that the Godfather, I don't know anyone else is calling that. Anyone else is calling this man that. The Godfather of streaming, where everyone has mimicked their websites and they've learned everything about streaming over the last 10 to 15 years, is a gentleman whose name is Troy Point. And I seen a video from Troy Point this morning because I'm in his group and an insider, and I subscribe to him because I don't know everything, but I learn from everyone. And he showed today on how you can change the launcher here. And I'm going to show you how to really declutterize and let you see the difference of what I'm talking about. So if I go to Downloader, one of the things I did is I saved this Troy Point toolbox right here. You guys need to find the downloader code. You can go online and look up Troy Point Toolbox and get this, because this is where I got these apps from. So I got the app called the Launcher Manager and the F Launcher. The F Launcher is a launcher that works on all different like Google TV boxes, Me Cools, and different boxes. So you can change the launcher page. This is what we're on, the launcher page. If I go to Launcher Manager and press OK, I can enable the custom launcher like right here. All right. So now the custom launcher is enabled. All right. So what I'm going to do is hit the back button again and go home if I can. And now you'll see, oops, and now you'll see the F launcher. This is the F launcher. All of the other apps or all the other ads and all that other stuff are gone. The only thing that works for me, and this is just me, is the fact that I only want the apps that I want. I don't need any other applications. I don't need any other ads. I don't need any other offers. I don't need anything because this is my device that I watch TV on. Now, I know they want it to be a media hub. I know they want us to use the Google Home app, and you can do that. And I like the fact that it still opens the apps with the Bluetooth. But if someone doesn't like the Bluetooth remote or doesn't need it, and they just want what they want, at least show them how to get it before coming at a person that made a video too quick. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and change it back by going to Launcher Manager, disabling that, and in a moment, you will see as I go back, it goes right back to where it was. Hey, my name is Jeff. Let me know what you thought about the video. Maybe I went too hard. I don't know. Maybe I was too soft. I don't know. All I know is, as someone who contributes to the streaming genre of streaming, I try my best to learn what I learn, and I don't learn everything by myself. I'm an avid learner from the people that do it better than me. So if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, give me your comments below, and we'll see you in the next